Hello, in today's video I'm going to answer the question on many people's mind, okay, maybe just mine, are vitamin E tocopherols safe? But first, what are vitamin E tocopherols? In short, vitamin E tocopherols is a form of vitamin E found naturally in fruits and vegetables. It's generally derived through vegetable oil extraction. Serving as a strong antioxidant, it comes in 4 forms, which are alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. Vitamin E tocopherols is sometimes known as mixed tocopherols, which are a combination of the 4 forms. However, in some skincare and body care products, the alpha form of vitamin E tocopherols is used. Vitamin E tocopherols is fat-soluble and stored in the liver. Being an antioxidant, it prevents cellular damage or prevents cells from oxidizing. Also having anti-inflammatory effects, it's a popular ingredient in skincare products. It reduces skin damage, promotes healthy aging, and boosts immunity. It hydrates the skin by improving its moisture content and elasticity. As you may notice, it's a common ingredient in many eye creams. Additionally, it strengthens hair when used as a hair care product and supports eye health. It's important to note that too much vitamin E can have negative health outcomes, so it's not an ingredient you want to overconsume. When it comes to processed food, vitamin E tocopherols acts as a preservative, minimizing oxidation. It's fat-soluble and stable long-term. It's a healthier and natural alternative to other chemical preservatives like BHT, BHA, BHBT, and TBHQ. Now in a lot of cereals, bacon mixes, and other dry goods, it allows products to stay on the shelf for several months without spoiling. Since vitamin E tocopherols prevent oxidation of fats and oils, which are in many of these products, the flavor, scent, and color of the product remains intact. So generally, products that have vitamin E tocopherols are cosmetics, skincare, and body care, as well as shampoo and conditioners, baby care products, shaving creams, sunscreens, and supplements, such as vitamin E supplements. Vitamin E tocopherols occur naturally in whole foods such as nuts, seeds, leafy greens, fruits, and vegetables. Though vitamin E tocopherols is a natural ingredient, is it safe for long-term consumption? If vitamin E tocopherols is consumed from whole food sources, it is considered safe. But as I stated earlier, it can be problematic if consumed in high doses, such as if taken too many supplements. If you consume more than 1,000 milligrams per day, it can have pro-oxidation effects, the opposite of what it offers at low or normal doses. High doses of vitamin E tocopherols can also cause fatigue, headaches, stomach aches, nausea, and dizziness. In one study done in 1985, found that mice injected multiple times with vitamin E had cancer growth on the site of injections. Though there are no studies linking the same effects to humans, it's important to consider this when it comes to overconsuming vitamin E. So, is vitamin E tocopherols worth consuming? I say yes because it's a naturally occurring ingredient with no links to negative health effects with regular consumption. It rather has positive health effects when consumed normally. It occurs naturally in many whole food items, so we consume vitamin E nearly every day. And when compared to chemical preservatives, which have links to several diseases and illnesses, vitamin E tocopherols is a safe alternative. The only thing with vitamin E tocopherols to keep in mind is how much you consume. It's important to not overdo it, and if thinking about taking supplements, consider checking with your doctor to see if it's necessary. It may be that you can reach for whole foods to get the right amount of vitamin E you need, with added nutrients. By keeping your intake of vitamin E below the threshold of 1,000 milligrams per day, you can avoid the negative health symptoms and outcomes mentioned earlier. So that's it. I hope I clarified what vitamin E tocopherols is and answered the question of if it's safe for consumption. So the next time you see this ingredient on your favorite packaged product, don't fret. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share so others looking to understand the ingredients on packaged goods can find this one. Subscribe for more whole food and nutrition videos, and until next time, take care.